there, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for that special gift for that special someone or yourself, I want you to check out this gift box. This is the ultimate self-care gift box to pamper others or yourself. This includes 7 premium luxury products. This is perfect if you're looking for the 4 R's: reset, rejuvenate, relax, and refresh. Let me tell you what it comes with. It comes with 2 face masks, this 40-ounce tumbler, and this very soft, cozy blanket. I love this candle as well, and the Epsom salt it comes with. Everything smells delicious. You can see the quality even on the tumbler. I was testing to see if this was water leak proof, and it definitely passed the test. You also have the option of drinking it straight from the cup or using a straw. This is super unique and super complete. No need to worry about what to buy that loved one or yourself. This gift box will make anybody feel special and loved, and that is my point of view.